Hello, welcome back. I'm Kunnu and today we are going to learn how to edit database table or row via PHPMyAdmin in cPanel. In the databases section, click on the PHPMyAdmin icon. In left sidebar, click on the expand button to expand database, and here you can see you have 3 databases under this user. This database contain only one table, okay, and this contain 2 tables, and this one is database of a WordPress. So click on it. Now if you want to update your WordPress website address, or if you want to change your WordPress website from main domain to a subdirectory, then you can use this option, WordPress options table. Okay, options table contain lot of configuration option. Okay, here you can see, from here you can update your website address. For example, if you recently migrated your website to another website, another domain, then you need to edit site URL and home address. Okay, so double click on it. For example, we are moving our WordPress blog from main blog to subdirectory. So add value and click outside of this box. Anywhere, click on outside of this box. Okay, now double click on home value and update it. From here you can also check your WordPress admin email address. This is very useful if you want to reset your password and you don't know your WordPress admin email, then you can check your admin email from here. Or if your admin email address is incorrect and if you want to update admin email, then you can update it from here. However, some PHPMyAdmin version or in some PHPMyAdmin, this feature is not available to directly edit this table. Okay, directly edit table from here by double click like this one. So we need to use edit option. Click on edit option, change email address. Okay, value is changed. Okay, now if you want to simply make changes and want to go back to previous page, then this option is good for you. Or you can select edit next row and next row will be loaded. For example, our previous row is updated successfully. If you got any error, then it will show in red color. Okay, and next, here you can see next row is loaded. Again click on it. From here you can change update. Now we can go back to previous page. We learn how to edit row. Okay, row of table. How we can edit table name. Click on table you wish to edit. Okay, click on operations option, rename table to if your table is NOW and it frequently crashed. So maybe you wish to change your storage engine. From here you can set it to InnoDB. Okay, set it to InnoDB, or if you want to move to MySM. MySM is stable than InnoDB. However, InnoDB is better than MySM. Now click on Go option. Click button. Okay, table has been renamed to different name. Now how we can change structure? For example, we can change table, we can change row. How we can change structure? Click on main database, and from here we want to change structure of this table. Okay, here you can see mid id key. Click on structure option, and if your website does not show some fonts, okay, then you can change collation to UTF-8. You can see this is already set to UTF-8. Now if you want to change structure of ID1, for example 1, 2, okay, click on change option. From here you can change type. Okay, you can increase length. If you are getting any error like length related, then you can change from here. You can assign UTF-8, okay, 16, etc., and click on save button. Okay, by this method, by how you learn that how you can edit table, row, etc. By this method you can change value of SQL data of any software without accessing administrator area. Like if you can't change theme from administrator area, then you can use this method to change value of SQL, and even you can change password of any account. Okay, so thanks for watching.